Good morning, 5th class. Welcome to your English online classes. Today we will clear the concept of idioms and proverbs. Now, basically, what is the difference between idioms and proverbs? So, idioms here. Idioms are phrases which people use in everyday language, which do not make sense literally, but we understand what they mean. That means we have to understand what is the meaning of that idiom. Okay. So, for example, it's raining cats and dogs. Its literal meaning suggests that cats and dogs are falling from the sky, but we interpret it to mean that it is raining hard. So, you can see here the idiom rain cats and dogs. What is the meaning? To rain very heavily. If you can say it's raining cats and dogs, so you mean it is raining very heavily. Example, you can see they didn't cancel the game even though it was raining cats and dogs. That means raining heavily. It will rain cats and dogs tomorrow, but he will go to work as usual. So understand what the idiom means. Now, second example we can see in the upper side. Put yourself in someone's shoes. Now, what does it mean? Try to understand someone's situation. Okay. Now, if you put yourself in someone's shoes, you try to understand what his or her situation is like and think about it as if you were in the same situation. So basically we have to learn the meaning, understand the meaning of the idioms. Then we will use in the sentences. So now we will come to the proverb. What do you mean by proverbs? Now students, proverbs is a short saying or sentence that is generally known by many people. That means the saying usually contains words of wisdom, truth, morals that are based on common sense. Okay. Now you can see proverbs can be found in all languages. Now you can see here, money doesn't grow on trees. It is a proverb. Now, what does it mean? You use this proverb to tell someone that he or she shouldn't waste money, or there is not enough money to buy something expensive. So, you can see the example, very common example it is. I hope that you will understand that. If you are saying to your mom, can I buy a new dress? And your mom will say, we can't afford one now because money doesn't grow on trees. So this is a proverb. And what does it mean? We shouldn't waste our money if we have no need. Okay. Now second example you can see of proverb. Necessity is the mother of invention. That means if someone really needs something or has a problem, he or she will find a way of the solution of doing or solving it. So now here you can see the examples, students. Throughout the history of science, a lot of evidence has proven that necessity is the mother of invention. For example, if you want to invent something, think about what people need or problems they have. So, necessity is the mother of invention. When you need something, then you do yourself. Now, we will see one more example of proverb. The pen is mightier than the sword. Here, what is the meaning of this proverb? This proverb means words are more powerful and effective than weapons in your purpose. Okay, now for example, you can see, I want to stress that articles you write on newspapers can change the world. As जैसा कि the pen is mightier than the sword. So this is the difference between proverb and idiom, students. Idioms is an expression, the meaning of which is completely different from the meaning. Okay, and what are the proverbs? Proverbs are wise sayings and used to give advices also. So I hope students you will understand the basic difference between idioms and proverbs. Have a nice day, students.